Hey gang, Steve Pennaz here. We're ready to pick this week's winner in the Win What Works competition. We had 1,675 entries. That's tremendous. Thank you for everybody that participated. Here's the winning number. It's 284. Michael Criswell. Michael, we're going to get a hold of you by email so we can get your prize package off to you quickly. Gang, don't forget to check out Lake Commandos tonight. We're fishing with Mark Sexton from Berkley on a late season fall smallmouth trip battling a major cold front. It's on Pursuit Network tonight at 8:30 Eastern. Lake Commandos. Thanks.